Hello everyone, welcome you all to the digital electronics class. Today we have session 6 of unit 3 Boolean algebra and logic gates. These are the contents of today's session. Here we are going to discuss universal gates, definition, realization of NOT and OR gates. What do you mean by a universal gate? What is the definition of the universal gate? And how to realize NOT gate. Realize means how to do NOT gate and OR gate with the help of the universal gates. That we shall see in the today's class. First we shall see what do you mean by universal gates. A universal gate is a gate which can implement any Boolean function without need of any other gate type. Here we call the universal gate is a gate which can implement any Boolean function. Universal gate ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗೇಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎನಿ ಬೂಲಿಯನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಬೂಲಿಯನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ವಿತೌಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಗೇಟ್. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಗೇಟೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಗೇಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು implement any given Boolean expression. That's why it is called as a universal. Universal means any expression can be implemented with the help of this type of gate. So that's why these gates are called as universal gates. So the NAND gate and NOR gates are called universal gates. So universal gates ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ NAND ಮತ್ತು NORನ universal gates ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Because by using only NAND gate or by using only NOR gate, it is possible to implement any other gate. We can implement OR gate, NOT gate, AND gate, XOR, XNOR, any gate with the help of these two gates, either by using only NAND gate or by using only NOR gate. And also it is possible to express or it is possible to implement any given complex expression with the help of either only NAND gate or only NOR gate. So that's why both NAND gate and NOR gates, both NAND as well as the NOR are called as universal gates. In practice, this is advantageous since NAND and NOR gates are economical and easier to fabricate and are the basic gates used in all IC digital logic families. This is advantageous since NAND and NOR gates are economical. Economical ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ವಿತ್ ದ ಲೆಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತಿನ್ ದ IC and easier to fabricate and are basic gates ಆರ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ IC ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ನಾವು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, NAND ಮತ್ತು NOR ಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ IC ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಆರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ನ NAND ಗೇಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ NOR ಗೇಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೇಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಐದರ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ NAND ಗೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ NOR ಗೇಟ್. ಇನ್ ದ CMOS logic, actually the output of the CMOS logic is always a negation. So it is very easy to implement NAND and NOR gate with the help of the CMOS logic. So that's why all other gates in the real ICs are implemented with the help of by using only NAND gate or by using only NOR gate. First we shall take implementing an inverter using only NAND gate. ಬರೀ NAND gate ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ವರ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? We know what is the inverter. We know inverter will be having one input and one output. This is the input and this is the output. Let us take Y as the output and A is the input. Output Y is always complement of input. That is nothing but I can represent Y is equal to A bar. Now I want to implement this NOT gate with the help of NAND gate. NAND gate ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? All NAND input pins connect to the input signal A gives an output A dash. A dash is nothing but A bar. I can write it as A bar or I can write this as A dash. A dash is also the complement. NAND gate, you take the NAND gate first. You write the AND gate along with a bubble. So this bubble is required to represent the NOT operation. AND plus NOT is the NAND. Two inputs A and B, output is Q. Now what I will do? I will short these two inputs. I will connect these two inputs and I will take one, I will make it as only common input. So and NAND gate ಇಂದ ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, NAND gate in ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ. ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಾರ್. ಹೌ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ how what is actually you are going to get here. You take the inputs AND operation you perform first. AND operation is what? AB is the AND operation. Since bubble is there, you add one bubble here. AB whole bar it is. Now similarly, instead of B, suppose if we would have A here, ಎರಡು A ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ A ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ A ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So both the inputs, A is the input to this input as well as to this input. A is the actual input. So therefore, if this is the case, what do we do? This multiplied by this, that is nothing but A multiplied by A whole bar we need to take. But from the Boolean rules, Boolean laws, I know that what is A into A? A into A is always A. So I can write A into A as A along with a single bar. So that is nothing but the complement. So therefore, we can able to implement the inverter with the help of NAND gate by shorting its input. Idru NAND gate in input na short madidre, now this actually acts like a NOT gate. I can use this gate as a NOT gate. You can observe A is the input, A bar is the output. So this is nothing but the A is the input, A bar is the output. So now the NAND gate is working as a NOT gate. So this is how it is possible to implement NAND inverter by using only the NAND gate. Next we shall take implementing an OR gate using NAND gate. OR gate na hege madodu by using only the NAND gate. So for this, what do we do? An OR gate can be replaced by NAND gates as shown in the figure. You observe this diagram here. We know what is OR gate. OR gate, so this is how I will going to write the OR gate. So I will write the OR gate here. This is the output Y, and I will take two inputs. A is the one input and B is the another input. I know output of the OR gate is nothing but A plus B. This is the output of the OR gate. This is what I want now. Now I will connect the NAND gates in this fashion. What I will do, at the input side, I will use two NAND gates and its inputs are shorted, and the output of each NAND gate is taken and it is connected to another NAND gate. You can observe all are NAND gates only here. All are NAND gate, because we need to implement OR gate using only NAND gate. So this structure should contain only the NAND gates. No other gates it should contain. So what I will do now, input has been shorted. Input short ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು NOT gate ಥರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. NOT gate inverter. So you give A as the input, therefore what is the output here? A bar is the output because it is shorted. Similarly, I will copy the same thing. I will give B as the input and the output is nothing but B bar. I will give these two outputs to the another NAND gate. Now this becomes A bar and B bar. Now you neglect about this one. You neglect this one. You just remember what this gate will do. So what are the inputs to these gates? One input is A bar, another input is B bar. What the operation it will going to perform? It is the AND plus NOT. AND means do the multiplication of this product. NOT means take the whole bar. That is what this gate will do. Now I can write this as from the De Morgan's theorem. What the De Morgan's second theorem states that A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. But A bar dot B bar is there, so this can be written as A plus B whole bar. This is the De Morgan's second theorem. A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Means now I am substituting LHS instead of the RHS. A bar dot B bar can be written as A plus B whole bar. One more bar is there here, and that bar you keep as it is. Now these two gets cancelled. So what do you get here? The output is A plus B. A plus B it is. What is A plus B? A plus B is nothing but A or with B. So this is the actual output you are going to get. That's what it is written here. This is the actual output you are getting. A plus B. A plus B we are getting here. Therefore, when the NAND gates are connected in this fashion, it actually work as a OR gate. This is how we can implement the OR gate using NAND gate. Instead of writing this OR gate, I can write these three NAND gate, and the NAND gates are connected in this fashion. It works like a OR gate. This is how I can implement OR gate using only NAND gates. You can observe only NAND gates are present here. Next, implementing an inverter using NOR gate. So just now we have seen how to implement inverter and OR using NAND. Now we shall see how to implement inverter and OR using NOR. So first we shall take how to implement the inverter using only the NOR gates. So for the NOR gate also, it is the same connection we need to do. This is the NOR gate, OR gate plus bubble. It indicates the NOR. OR plus NOT is NOR. A is the input, B is the output. Perform the OR operation first, and because of the bubble, you add one bar here. It is A plus B whole bar. This is the output of the NOR gate. Now what I will do? I will short its input. All NOR input pins connect to the input signal A gives an output A dash. A dash is nothing but A bar. A dash ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದೇ, A bar ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಪುಟನ್ನು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? A ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ, A bar ಬರುತ್ತೆ. How it, because suppose shorting means what? We are applying the same input here as well as to here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ A ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So for example, I will take A here as well as I will take A here. What the gate will perform? First you perform the OR operation. What is A OR with A? It is nothing but A plus A. This is OR. But this is not a OR gate. Bubble you need to add. There is nothing but A plus A whole bar. We know that from the Boolean rules, I know that A plus A is A. A plus A is always A, and bar you kept as it is. So it is A bar. What does it mean? So if both the inputs are same, the output of this gate is nothing but the complement of the input. A bar is the output you are going to get here. Therefore, when the inputs are shorted, for the given input, output is always its complement. This is the property of the NOT gate. So when the inputs are shorted together, now the NOR gate behaves as a NOT gate. This is how I can implement inverter using NOR gate. Next we shall see implementing an OR gate using only NOR gate. OR gate ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ NOR gate ಇಂದ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. We know that NOR gate is what? NOR gate is OR plus NOT. OR ಮತ್ತು NOT ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ NOR gate ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು NOT gets cancelled. ಎರಡು NOT gate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. NOT and NOT get cancelled. So this becomes OR. So that is how we are going to do. You take the NOR gate first. This is the NOR gate. OR plus NOT is NOR gate. A plus B whole bar bantu. A is the input, B is the input. So it is A plus B along with the bubble. So we need to add one bar here. Now in the second stage, so this is the first part. This is the first part I am having. And in the second part what I will take the same NOR gate, but the input is shorted. Now we know that when the input of the NOR gate is shorted, it behaves like a NOT gate. Whatever you give, its complement you are going to get at the output. So here input is shorted, and what is the output available here? It is A plus B whole bar. So this has to be inverted again. It is A plus B whole bar whole bar. It is something like this. A plus B whole bar input ide. So I will take that input. Input itself is A plus B whole bar. Idrud input to A plus B whole bar because of this reason. Because of this gate, A plus B whole bar is the input. But it behaves as what? It behaves as a NOT gate because the inputs are shorted. Therefore, this input whole bar is the output of this gate, not we are performing. So these two gets cancelled. Then what is left here? A plus B is left. That A plus B is nothing but this one. A plus B. Now what is A plus B? A plus B is the property of the OR gate. So NOR gate is OR plus NOT. One more NOT we are doing. So again you are going to get back the OR gate only. It is like inverting two times. When you are inverting anything two times, you are going to get the original value. So here you can observe here it contains only the NOR gates because we are implementing OR gate using only NOR gate. Both NOR gates are used. When the NOR gates are connected in this fashion, NOR gate plus NOT gate. NOR used as a NOT gate, then you are going to get the functionality of the OR gate. So this is how you can implement the OR gate by using only NOR gate. You can observe how many NOR gates are required here. 2 NOR gates are required. Okay, in this session we learnt, this is the summary of this session. Here we learnt the universal gates definition and realization of NOT and OR gates using universal gates. NOT ಮತ್ತೆ OR gate na universal gates like an AND ಮತ್ತೆ NOR use ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು how to implement NOT and OR gate that we have discussed in this session. We shall have some of the MCQs now. To implement NOT gate using NAND, we have short its inputs, short its output, both none. To implement NOT gate as a NAND gate, what we need to do? We need to short its input. Input na short ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it behaves as a NOT gate. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. For practical applications, AND gates are commonly implemented by using ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಐ ಸಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೆಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಐ ಸಿ ಒಳಗಡೆಗೆ? ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್, ನ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್. ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ actually in the real applications, in the real ICs, all the gates are implemented by using universal gates. So which are the universal gates out of these two? NOR and NAND. So you neglect these two. These two are not correct because AND and OR is there. So among these two again we need to take NOR use ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು AND ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, NAND use ಮಾಡಿ AND ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. But commonly what we are going to use for the AND implementation, we prefer the NAND. Why we prefer NAND for the AND implementation? You take the NAND gate, add one inverter, so you are going to get the AND function. NAND function plus one inverter always gives the AND function. So therefore the correct answer is option C. By using NAND gate we are going to implement the AND gate. Similarly in the examination, if they would ask OR gate instead of AND, if they would ask OR, then it is like NOR. Just we have seen that. So NOR gate use ಮಾಡಿ OR ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ you connect NOR gate and one inverter. Inverter means you need to make inverter by using NOR only, by shorting its input. So that is how you can able it. It takes only two NOR gates to implement the OR gate by using NOR. Whereas here it is asked for AND gate, therefore the correct answer is option C. Third question. To implement OR gate using NAND gate, it requires 2 NAND gates, 3 NAND gates, 4 NAND gates and 1 NAND gate. We already seen this. OR gate na NAND gate implement ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ how many gates are required? 3 NAND gates are required. We have already observed here how to get the 3 NAND gates. So therefore the correct answer is option B. This is implementing OR gate using only NAND gate. It requires 3 NAND gates. So one NAND gate connected here, another NAND gate connected here, one more NAND gate you have to connect here. And this NAND gate behaves as a NOT gate. This is not behaves as a NOT gate. These two actually behaves as a NOT gate. These two gates behaves as a NOT gate. This is something like this. This type of structure we have seen. And here one AND gate is there. One NAND gate. And again here one more NAND gate is there. And here one more NAND gate. Now what do we do? All are NAND. So here the input of this gate is shorted and I will give A as the input. And also here the input of this gate is shorted and I will give B as the input. This is a bubble. So here what do you get? You will get the output A plus B. That is what we have seen in this session. You will get A plus B. A plus B is nothing but what? It is the OR gate operation. Therefore the correct answer is option B. So it requires totally 3 gates. 3 NAND gates are required to implement the OR function by using only NAND. To implement NOT gate using NOR gate, it requires 2 NOR, 3 NOR, 4 NOR and 1 NOR gate. So to implement the NOT gate, ಎಷ್ಟು NOR gates ಬೇಕು? We know that to implement NOT gate it requires only 1 NOR gate. This is true for the NAND also. NOT ನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ how many NOR gates are required? Only 1. ಆ ಥರ NOT ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು using NAND gate. Again it requires only 1 NAND gate. It takes only 1 NAND gate or 1 NOT gate, 1 OR gate to implement the NOT gate. Therefore the correct answer is option D. Last question. Universal gates are NOR gates, 3 NAND gates, both A and B and either A or B. So what is the correct answer? Here it is given NOR gates and 3 NAND gates. Whatever it may be, whether it is 3 NAND gates or 5 NAND gates or one simply it is a NAND gate, whatever the answer, we know that universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. Both are universal gates. Therefore the correct answer is option C, both A and B. You can have some 6 NOR gates. This is just given for to make you to confuse. So it is like both NOR gates and the NAND gates. Either it is 3 NAND gates or 5 NAND gates or 10 NAND gates, whatever it may be. All the both NOR gates and the NAND gates are called as universal gates. So therefore both A and B, both NAND and the NOR gates are called as universal gates. Okay, this is the end of the session. Thank you.